Want this smooth microwave effect without using time remap? Make sure all your clips are ready to go. Head into your project and click on your scene pack to check its resolution. Then click on your timeline and press Ctrl+K to open the composition settings. Change the resolution to match your scene pack and hit enter. Now select all your layers, set the scale to 100 and align them properly. Pre-comp all your layers individually. Press Ctrl+K again and change the resolution back to your edit resolution. I personally use 1440 by 1440p. Then hit enter. Select all your pre-comp layers. Right click and go to transform and select fit to comp height. Set your preview quality to full. Then face track all your pre-comp layers. Once tracking is complete, add Twixtor. Check the FPS on your scene pack and match it to the Twixtor. Copy my setting for the reference. Next, add motion tile and copy my settings again. Now copy both Twixtor and motion tile and paste them on all your layers. Pre-comp all the layers individually again. Then add Twixtor Pro. Copy my settings and graph as well. Paste Twixtor Pro on all your layers. Once that's applied, create an adjustment layer and trim it just like I did. And add a blur mode curve. Place a keyframe at the beginning and at the end. Press F9 to ease. Then copy my setting and graph. Duplicate the adjustment layer and place it on your clips. Turn on motion blur for all the layers. Then pre-comp all your clips and adjustment layers together. Finally, add RSMB Pro and copy my settings. And you're done. That's it for today, guys. Honestly, this is one of my favorite method to do microwave because it just makes everything quicker. Try it out, save it as a preset and let me know in the comments how it goes. See you in the next video.